Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of October, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold or accumulate, providing it with a score of 0.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 5.26% since we initially recommended purchasing SOXL 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.32% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a broad and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may serve as an early signal of a shift in trend. On the reaction, support will be found at the ceiling of the current broken trend, which is at $31.45. This level might offer a second opportunity for those looking to take advantage of upward movement. According to fan theory, the next potential peak level could be $49.98, presenting a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of 38.1% over the next 3 months, with a potential range of returns between negative 79.29% and negative 49.58%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 44.23% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 4.79% to 178.23%. This corresponds to a price range of $40.46 to $107.43 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for SOXL ETF, after gaining 3.07%. The SOXL ETF price increased by 3.07% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, rising from $37.46 to $38.61. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 6.07%, with a low of $36.53 and a high of $38.75. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 8.03% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 300,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 64 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 44.91%, or $31.47, below the 52-week high, and 89.79%, or $339.63, below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when it peaked at $378.24. Direction has recently expanded its lineup of leveraged exchange-traded funds, introducing new products targeting stocks such as Netflix and TSMC. This move reflects a broader interest in high-volatility, high-reward sectors, particularly in light of ongoing momentum in technology and semiconductor stocks, which are significantly driven by investments in artificial intelligence and data centers. The semiconductor sector, a key focus of market attention, is poised to continue its rally as long as these themes remain strong. In the short term, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares ETF may experience increased trading volumes as hedge funds and investors respond to anticipated rate cuts and opportunities for leverage in technology. Recent trends indicate that the upward trajectory of the Nasdaq 100 is prompting many to position themselves for potential gains in technology stocks, including those in the semiconductor space. However, it is essential to recognize the inherent risks associated with this ETF, particularly its leverage and volatility. Despite recent price declines, where the ETF has lost approximately 25%, analysts suggest that a year-end rally may be possible, especially if the semiconductor sector confirms its bullish indicators. Nevertheless, caution is advised as technical analysis highlights historical patterns that could result in significant losses. Over the long term, the volatility and rebalancing characteristics of leveraged exchange-traded funds like this one pose challenges for stable growth. Investors are encouraged to balance their positions carefully, remaining mindful of the risks, while also considering the potential for substantial returns if semiconductor stocks continue to rise. Overall, while this ETF presents opportunities for aggressive investors, it carries significant risk and may require strategic positioning to effectively tap into potential upsides. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected around the levels of $36.17 and $34.64. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 7.48%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 35 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 124 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 56 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 46 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss strategy for SOXL. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund identifies support just below today's level, with significant volume accumulation at $34.96 and $32.16. There is inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF could decline to the next support threshold. In this scenario, SOXL's first support level is $34.96. If this level fails, the next points of support from accumulated volume are at $32.16 and $29.34. This ETF exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval suggested by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.22, representing a movement of 6.07%. For the week, the ETF has displayed an average daily volatility of 6.08%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $39.65. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $34.96. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.36, reflecting a decline of 5.82%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 34 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL displays several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it as a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or gradually accumulating while we await further developments. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of October, we anticipate SOXL will open lower by 646 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $37.96. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.